back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very crispy and delicious cheesy potato taco. Perfect for Cinco de Mayo. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This is everything you're going to need to make and enjoy an amazing, crispy, cheesy potato tacos. First things first, getting ready all my veggies. I have an onion here that has sprout, and I am going to use a little bit of the green onion right on the top. I'm going to go ahead and use this red onion. I'm going to dice it in small little pieces. I want all the pieces to be almost the same size so everything incorporates into the potato and gives the potato such a delicious flavor. I have my jalapeños that I'm going to slice through the center, remove the seeds very carefully, and then I am going to slice away. Let me tell you, this potato mixture comes out so delicious and so amazing. It really doesn't take too long to prepare your crispy, cheesy potato tacos. And here, this is the best part. Put anything you like inside your potato. It's going to be amazing. Once you have this done, put it aside and then you're ready to prepare your potatoes just like this for Cinco de Mayo. In boiling water, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. For potatoes, I am going to cook them for about 20 to 25 minutes. When the knife goes in really nicely and soft, you are ready to remove them and start taking the skin off. Be very careful because the potato is still nice and hot and you want to only remove the skin. Like I said, it's really hot, so take your time removing all the skin. Once you have removed all the skin, you are ready to smash it and get it nice and creamy. Let me tell you, very easy to prepare this amazing and delicious crispy, cheesy potato tacos. Let me tell you, I am going to smash them really good. Once everything is nice and smashed, we are going to start adding our parsley, our garlic powder, our black pepper, our salt, and all the veggies. Let me tell you, this really comes out so delicious and amazing that once you make it, you are going to continue enjoying them for Cinco de Mayo. I'm adding 2 cups of this amazing Mexican blend cheese. And of course, we're going to warm up some tortillas. When you make a ball and the ball sticks to each other, then you know that the mixture is perfect for you to fill your tortillas with this amazing filling. Yes, don't overfill it. You just want the right amount so that the potato and the cheese doesn't come out when you are frying this amazing and delicious crispy taco. I am going to stay making the rest, and remember, don't overfill them. Making sure that all the tortillas are not too hot when you are making and enjoying them. Look at this. Once you finish, then you have on the stove, you have a pan with vegetable oil, just enough to cover your tacos. I have a plate with some napkins. My oil is getting nice and hot. First of all, I'm going to add some pieces of tortilla, making sure that the tortilla is really, that the oil is nice and hot. When the tortillas are nice and crispy, then I'm ready to add my tacos. Do not add your tacos if the vegetable oil is not hot, or else the taco and the potato is going to absorb all the excessive oil, and that's exactly what you don't want. You're only gonna flip once. Don't flip too many times your tacos or the filling and the cheese is going to come out. After about 2 minutes, you are ready to flip it and get them nice and golden brown. And as you could see, the potato is still inside. The oil is still nice and clean. Like I said, get them nice and crispy to your desired crispiness. I love them golden brown, and it's going to take about 4 minutes. Once the 4 minutes are done, you're ready to remove. Put them on the plate with some napkins, and you're ready to start dressing them up and enjoying this amazing and delicious crispy potato cheesy taco for Cinco de Mayo. How am I going to add and what am I going to add to these tacos? You could add so many things, but here I'm going to make it nice and simple. They taste amazing just like that. But we are going to dress it up. We're going to add some sour cream. We're going to add some pickled onion, and we are going to top it with pickled red onion. And of course, that recipe, you already have it on my channel. Like, subscribe, and share. And enjoy this amazing, crispy, potato cheesy taco for your Cinco de Mayo. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with these amazing, crispy, cheesy potato tacos. I added some sour cream, queso fresco on the top, and pickled onion. Yes, you already have that amazing recipe of the pickled onion. Well, let's try it and let's enjoy it. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my God, so delicious. When you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. Mm. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, you're going to be notified every time I make an amazing recipe. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this delicious and amazing cheesy potato crispy tacos made at home with lots of love. See you soon. Bye-bye.